What's poppin'? It's your boy, right back another episode. I'm gonna show you guys, whoever's following me. Appreciate the new subscribers. Thank you. We're going up. We're gonna keep appreciating the love. Thank you for showing support. You know what I'm saying? If you want to subscribe, so just comment below. Share with your friends. Let's get to the point. Show you guys how to brush, how I brush my swirl. And I'm gonna go by the steps, and I'm gonna give you guys a few tips on the process. If you wanna cop this, let me do a disclaimer. I don't get paid for this, but you go to West Tech. That's where I copped it at. You go to West Tech. Silky, saying it's a good durag. Been with me for a couple of months already. Got the book saying it's good. Let me show you guys real quick. Brushing on early. I want to show you guys my progress. The way that I'm brushing right here, it's like this. This is number one. You get close to the crown. Not too close, but close to the crown. Since I got a swirl, you know it's different. If you got a beehive, you could get close, but I got a swirl. That means that I brush different when it comes to the swirl. Well, this is how I'm brushing. This is how I brush my pattern, which is downward. Take your time brushing. Know what you're doing. The main key is to know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? If you go blind brush out, you're not gonna get no benefits out of it, but a lot of forks. So focus. Know where you're pulling your hair from. Just go in. Steady. If you got it like this already, same brushing going. Spend at least, you know, you could say 2-3 minutes each side. Make sure, you know what I'm saying, you pull that hair. I'm using a soft. Curly the brush section with a hard brush. So just want to show you guys how I'm brushing my pattern 2023. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. We're gonna keep growing. As long as I got hair, I'm gonna keep grinding. Feel me? I'm doing it for you guys. As long as I got hair, I'm gonna keep grinding. I know I'm in the process, you know what I'm saying? Right now I'm working on my phone for videos. I got them coming soon. I got a laptop coming soon. My quality is gonna update. So be patient, bear with me, support me. We in the journey, trust me. I will not let you guys down. Feel me? Alright, so one. That's angle one for me. I got a fork here. I always start with the fork. Okay. I like to verse here. You guys could do it horizontal if you want. This is horizontal right here. Okay. You could do it like this if you want. Now that I'm showing you guys how I brush, let me give you guys. I want to give you guys. I want to give you guys a small detail. I'm going to give you a tip. Listen, I'm going to give you a tip. If you're brushing like this, you're brushing like this, example. If you're brushing like this, your waves, they're going to go wider, which means it's going to cover your whole hair, right? But if you brush like this, you see how I changed my hands? Your waves is going to go up. Instead of go wider, it's gonna go up like this. Look at my finger. It's gonna go like this. So if you want your waist wider, brush like this. Okay? If you want your waist to go up, brush like this. Alright? Like this. Want it wider? Like this. Want it up? Like this. You see how my hands change, right? Pay attention. Alright, so this is second angle. I'm breaking a 4, so we're going to angle 3. The main point is to connect them. This is angle 3 right here. You see how I change it? That's 2. That's 1. Okay, that's 2. Look, and I keep going. Boom, boom, boom. That's 3. And everybody knows number 4, which is forward. Everybody knows that one. I don't have a lot of hair. I come out here with. This is number 4. Okay. After that, I'm changing my hands. Okay. I'm changing my hands. That's 4. This is 5. Stay away from your crown. 5. This is 6. Remember, you could go like this, or you could go like this. Me personally, I use a vertical. So I go vertical. If I want to do it horizontal, I go like this, because I want my waves to flow around my head. I don't want them on top. Okay. This is 5, 6, 6, 7. Here, the same, the opposite. On your left side, same angle. Only thing that changes the pattern. Everybody knows. Number. Gotta let my hair go. This is number 8. The way that I use on number 8 in the back, I slanted it. If you see my brush, it's supposed to be like this, right? But I got it like this. I like with a little slant on it. I like different styles, man. Alright? And then we start over here again in 1. So pay attention to your crown. After you finish, go to your crown. Spend some time on it. It should be alright. Okay? You know. Alright, that was my 8 angles break 2023. I hope you got a video. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. You know the vibe. 6. I'm out of here.